Right, so I've been on Amazon again and it only cost £8.75, so if it doesn't work I haven't lost a lot of money. Right, so I got one of those EcoCamel shower heads, which is supposed to increase water pressure and also reduce water usage. But because that comes near enough straight out, I also got one of these brackets that makes it spray downwards instead. It's been very useful, but I'm going to try, and I'll show you in a minute, another shower head, which hopefully, because that's got fairly big holes in it, and I think it uses quite a bit of water actually. It's not adjustable or anything, but we'll show you the other shower head I've got. Right, so we've had that EcoCamel shower head. I think it's one of the original designs for about nearly 6 years, I'd say. It cost us over £30, I think, that shower head when we first bought it. But I know design has changed, etc., and probably the price has dropped as well. But what I've bought is one of these handheld shower heads, and it's got your beads in it, 2 types of beads in it. It's got a very fine spray head on it, just to see whether it improves and reduces our water usage over this time where we're showering more and washing, using his own facilities a lot more. So it says it improves your water pressure, so you get a more powerful shower, and also reduces your water usage. And just going through the finer points, it can eliminate chlorine, and it can keep your skin and hair healthy and protect your skin and hair. The iron negative balls will be beneficial for skin in the water. Using the water, it gives the skin more shine and flexibility. It improves the water dissolving power, clearing and penetrability. Is good for eliminating dirt in the depths of the skin, and supplements the moisture content of the skin. And I'm not sure how this happens, but it releases negative ions, which improves the lungs air exchange and improves the metabolism. So that's what they claim. Whether it's right or not, I don't know, but all I'm bothered about is having a shower and not using as much water. So what we'll do now is we'll show you the EcoCamel head spray, and then we'll exchange it for this one. Well, we'll show you what's in the box first, and then we'll show you it working. So fingers crossed it works okay. For £8.75, I can't complain. Right, we'll go and unbox it now. Right. Oof, I've got all sorts of new little beads and all sorts. Boy, it's got some right fine holes in that one, isn't it? That we should reduce. So they're spare beads. It's even better. Not sure what that does. We'll find out. You can change your shower head by doing that. Oh, there's instructions there as well. Well, they're good instructions. Just says shower head. Right, so we've got 3 different shower heads. I'm not actually sure how they go. Right, we'll just use that shower head. We'll just use that one. Out of curiosity. Oh, aha, I see. So you've got a switch that switches it to different. I didn't know that. Let's give it a try and see what it's like. I'll show you the old shower head first, and then I'll put this one on and we'll see what difference is. Okie dokie. It even comes with a little roll of BTFE tape for sealing threads. Can't knock that for £8.75, can you? Right, we'll give it a try. Bear with me. 3. Right, to give it a fair chance, I shall have the handle in the middle, and we'll show you what the EcoCamel head's like first. That's the EcoCamel head. We'll swap over those heads now and see what this one's like. 3. Right, so that's that connected up. Give it a try. Oh my word. Oh, there's a lot more power there. You got different. You'll see that. You got 3 different patterns. Oh, that works well. I'm happy with that. We'll see what it does with water. I'll give you a report back at some point. Right, just to give you a quick update on the shower head. We used it while we were at Clumber Park. It's, whether it's just my imagination, but it does make the water feel softer. It doesn't really reduce usage. I think you probably use about the same, but the water feels better, and also your skin feels softer. So to me, it seems to be working okay, that shower head. So I'm quite happy with the purchase. So that's the update on the shower head. So if you liked what you see, don't forget to give us that little thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing, and also click that notification bell. And please leave a comment. I'll answer to any comments. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye. See you soon.